Hello friends, so in this video I am going to show you how to make an RFID door lock which opens when we bring a RFID card near it. So first understand how RFID works. RFID stands for radio frequency identification. The RFID reader consists of a radio frequency module, a control unit and an antenna coil which generates high-frequency electromagnetic field. Tag is usually a passive component which consists of just an antenna and an electronic microchip. So when it gets near the electromagnetic field of the transceiver, due to induction a voltage is generated in its antenna coil and this voltage serves as power for the microchip. After this, the tag and the reader can communicate with each other. If we bring one of these tags in front of a light source, we can notice the antenna coil and the microchip. In Arduino we are using RFID RC522 module to detect the RFID tag or card. It uses 13.56 MHz to communicate. Also, the RFID card contains 1 KB of data to store personal information. Components required: Arduino Uno, RFID RC522 module, servo motor, a small door lock, a pin, jumpers, so let's begin. First of all, we will connect the lock with servo motor to make an electronic lock so that we can control the lock using Arduino. You can see the lock is tight and it is hard for servo motor to control the lock. To resolve this problem, first we have to open the lock as I am opening. You can see that there is a spring in a ball which makes the lock difficult to move by applying friction. Now we close the lock without inserting the ball in the spring. Now you can see it is very loose and can be controlled by a servo motor. Attach the lock to the gate. I am pasting it to the notebook just to show you. You can screw the lock to the gate. Paste the pin on the lock as I am pasting with hot glue. Paste the servo motor on the top of the lock as I am pasting. Tight the pin with a plastic clip so that it will not come out. Insert the pin to the last hole in the servo motor. Now as you can see, when servo motor is rotating, the lock is going back and forth. Our electronic lock is complete. Now let's attach the components. Connect the 7 pins of RFID sensor to 7 jumper wires, leaving the 4th pin empty. Connect the first pin to 3.3 volt pin of Arduino. Connect the second pin to pin 9 of Arduino. Connect the third pin to GND pin of Arduino. Connect the fifth pin to pin 12 of Arduino. Connect the sixth pin to pin 11 of Arduino. Connect the seventh pin to pin 13 of Arduino. Connect the eighth pin to pin 10 of Arduino. Connect 3 jumpers to the 3 wires of servo motor. Connect the brown wire of servo motor to GND pin of Arduino. Connect the red wire of servo motor to 5 volt pin of Arduino. Connect the orange wire of servo motor to pin 7 of Arduino. Our connections are complete. Let's come to the coding part. Upload the code. The link of the code is given in description. Now as we power on the device or press the reset button, the lock opens for 5 seconds and then close. Now open the serial monitor. When we bring a card over the RFID sensor, the UID of that card will come on serial monitor. Now we just need to copy the tag and paste the tag in the coding. Now upload the code once again. Open the serial monitor again. As we bring the card, the serial monitor shows the UID with a message of authorized access and our lock gets open. After 5 seconds the lock automatically gets closed. So this is our device. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos on electronics. Thank you.